Short video on the Sermon Vortex 750 stick blender as going to be used for Yorkshire pudding mix. On the controls, you can see we've got the power button, variable speed button and continual run button. Simple to use. Okay, so let's use the Vortex 750. Place it into the, imagine this is Yorkshire pudding mix, and then press the speed button. Notice the variable speed, just turning the dial, and then if you keep your finger on the top button for 3 seconds, you can then let it run continually, just while waving around into the product. And then we can also increase the speed. And then we stop by just pressing the speed. So let's remove the shaft from the motor. First of all, I'm going to take the plug out. No power going to the machine. It's just a little click anti-clockwise and it's released. To put it back in again, in and then clockwise. Do it one more time. Well, let's remove the shaft then. Little click anti-clockwise. Notice that it comes straight out. Notice the little catch there and the slot inside. So that's just going to locate and then turn. And it's clicked and it's on. In order to clean the shaft, we can either leave it attached and place it into a bucket of water, soapy water, warm up to the max level. You'll see the max levels written on the shaft. There's a maximum level there, so you can then have the machine running at a low tempo just to clean the blade off. Alternatively, as it's unplugged, you can detach and then into the sink, soapy water with a soft cloth just to wipe off all the food debris. Just a few simple health and safety tips and do's and don'ts. Always make sure that the vents are clear so it's not going to starve the motor from cooling down. Also, you're dealing with a blade, so when you're going anywhere near the blade, if there's food debris inside, just make sure you're wearing protective gloves because the blade is sharp, especially when you come to clean it and you're cleaning around the blade area. So always wear protective gloves so you're not going to cut yourself. Make sure that your hands are dry when you're plugging in and plugging out, unplugging of the machine.